The other opener Gigi should have divorced from coaching, but Sehwag divorced marriage.
Karun Nair reported for domestic violence.
So Coldplay, randomly people were selling water, 500 ml for 500 rupees. What Coldplay song would be which cricketer?
मैं धोनी को लूंगा.
It
Yellow.
was all yellow. Yeah. Fix you, Mohammad Azharuddin.
Ravi Ashwin is the scientist.
Sparks for Rishabh Pant.
Welcome to Crickheads episode number 37.
Devdutt Padikkal.
For a reason, but there's no chance right now.
Padikkal. Yeah,
No place for you right now
Yeah.
in T20 for sure.
After Tilak Verma has been mom
Yeah,
in the last game of this very important,
Yes.
very important T20 series that we are playing.
The most important India-England series since that one.
Yeah.
I'll be honest, you'll have to fill me in on what's been happening. मेरे को बस
Nobody
पता है.
has going, except we should call Ravi Bishnoi. He needs to fill us in.
Yeah.
Ravi Bishnoi hit a good 9 or 10 runs in the last game to win the match
Quick
at the
fire,
end.
quick fire 9.
Yeah, he hit a dude. We won because of him. Like they
Oh, acha,
scored
like that,
165
हाँ.
and we were 166 for 9.
Oh.
And he came and he hit 9 runs of 5 balls.
Wow, that's incredible.
So,
dude.
and because he also shared some video a few days back on social media about, why should batsmen have all the fun?
That was before or after he did this?
This is before he did it.
So मतलब
उसके बाद he like, see, yeah, that
भाई
was so
मैनिफेस्ट किया है
हाँ.
बिश्नोई भाई ने. Firstly 9 down मैनिफेस्ट किया कि wickets need to fall for me to come.
fun. Yeah.
ठीक है तो बट फर्स्ट मैच हमने काफी आराम से जीता है. Remember?
फर्स्ट मैच तो कुछ ही नहीं हुआ.
हाँ.
हाँ, सेकंड गेम में भी मतलब हाँ ये मर के, बट इसमें तिलक वर्मा अच्छा खेला,
चलो.
वाशी, ध्रुव जुरैल खेला.
तो क्या लगता है हम चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी वन डे जीत जाएंगे अभी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस?
By the way, guess how many one days we have played since 2020 in 2024? India.
2024. Wait, so the last one day we played in 2023 was that one, right?
I think, yeah,
the,
उसके बाद
the
nothing.
one which we don't speak
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
तो कुछ 10-15 होगा. 10
3 one day.
3 3 वन डे खेले हम.
Which is like 0 one days.
Dude, it's over one day. Today I think this could be the last Champions Trophy. They should market it as the last Champions Trophy.
Yeah.
To get like more views, like one last tour.
Which it takes one day.
हाँ.
Like, dude, ek to PTSD of Narendra Modi Stadium is like been there in the news. We'll come to that later.
Yes.
But what is happening? पहली बात, हम लोग 5 T20 खेल रहे, 3 वनडे, जबकि हम 5 वनडे खेलने चाहिए और 0
Yes.
T20 खेलने चाहिए.
अभी वन डे सीजन है, मतलब if there
Exactly.
is a season.
और हम लोग के 2 प्लेयर विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा जा रहे हैं. रोहित ने तो एक खेल लिया, विराट
Red
खेलने
ball.
वाला है. They're playing red ball. Red ball comes in June. I don't understand.
I think-
What is happening?
I think they've given in to public pressure. I think
It's
Virat
too
and
fucking late for
Rohit
that.
have been reading comments and been like, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं रणजी नहीं खेलते,
अरे
चलो खेल
यार.
लेते. Which is a big mistake. Never listen to us.
अभी तो
we
मत
know
सुनो.
nothing.
हमारे पॉडकास्ट पहले सुन लेते.
हाँ भाई, हम जब बोल रहे थे तब तो
BGT के पहले तुम व्हाइट बॉल खेलते हो, फिर
हाँ.
व्हाइट बॉल पीक सीजन के पहले रेड बॉल खेलते हो.
कब से हम बोल रहे हैं स्ट्रेटेजिकली तुम पैटर्निटी लीव लंबा कर लेते, हम सीरीज जीत जाते. नहीं सुना है आपने हमारा बात. बट एनीवे अब तो हो गया. वन मोर सीरीज लॉस इज अंडर आवर जीजी's बेल्ट.
GG's belt has lot of losses.
बस जीजी बोलना पड़ता है उसको आफ्टर एवरी गेम. बट दैट्स अ गेमर रेफरेंस.
Yes, good game बोलते हैं उसको. समझे कि नहीं तुम सब
समझे कि नहीं
साले
भाई, तुम
मिलेनियल
लोग यार.
बुड्ढे हमारी ऑडियंस.
मिलेनियल भी बुड्ढे हो गए. व्हाट अ टाइम टू बी अलाइव.
ऑडियंस कोई गाली दे.
अभी कौन सा जनरेशन है? जेन अल्फा आ गया अभी, राइट?
जेन बीटा.
बीटा आ गया है?
बीटा आ गया ना.
नहीं,
अंतरिक्ष.
नहीं.
तेरा बच्चा क्या होगा?
राइट आंसर. इससे बोला क्रिकेटर.
Yes. Dude, so it was so okay. तो पहले तो ये रेड बॉल ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं मेरे समझ में आ नहीं रहा है.
Correct.
ये 5 मैच खेल रहे हैं. As we speak, today is going to be the 3rd T20. I don't know why
Yes.
we are doing this. Okay.
Third of 3. नहीं, of 5.
Of 5.
Oh, God.
5 fucking T20s. I will still confirm once again. So that
हाँ.
4th
I
T20,
mean,
5th T20 is in Mumbai on Sunday.
चलते हैं.
चलना है. Recording show है मेरा 2nd Feb.
Oh.
If Mumbai people, anyone's coming,
क्रिकेट मत
watching
देखो, इसके कॉमेडी को आके
Habitat
देखो.
7 and 9 p.m. recording show. Come be a part of my video because I think I fucked it up in Bangalore.
Oh.
So,
Also, if you have mine is like my plug is much more specific. Only if you have studied in Symbiosis Pune. You can come to the alumni show on Saturday. I'm performing in Mumbai, Pune college, but in Mumbai. The
what
show
are you
is.
saying?
So,
Where is it?
It's at some hotel in Santa Cruz near
Wow.
the airport.
Symbiosis students actually do well for themselves?
They're doing pretty well, dude. They're pretty. Apparently, देखते क्या होता है, कितने लोग आते हैं. Please आ जाओ. If only if you studied. If you can get a degree by Saturday
From
from
Symbiosis.
Simbi, आ जाओ.
And otherwise, Sunday you can come for my show.
Yeah, Sunday
He's
you
first
can come.
Feb, I'm second Feb.
Yes. No.
7 and 9 p.m. Habitat. You can DM me saying I'm watch Crickheads. I will send you the link personally.
Lovely.
Even if I put a story.
And tell who else is with you. उनको
So it's
बोल दे.
me, Nivedita, Joel, and Shashwat.
All good comics.
Yeah.
This is the earliest serious plug हमने किया है कभी भी
Actually,
अपने
so
show पे.
ये बात another serious thing which
Yes.
is not to be joked about
Yes.
is grey divorce. You know what is
Grey
grey
divorce मतलब हुआ नहीं है ठीक से.
नहीं नहीं ये मैं अभी पता चला मुझे
हाँ.
कि A.R. रहमान का जब डिवोर्स हुआ तो
हाँ.
ग्रे डिवोर्स के लोग 20-30 साल शादी के बाद डिवोर्स कर रहे हैं और
Oh.
हमारे क्रिकेट में भी
Okay.
एक नया डिवोर्स आया है
Yes. Virupa.
वीरूपा
Man, Virupa ji.
it came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
We like it came out of nowhere to a point where the news was broken by Antariksh Thakkar, the guy who doesn't care about cricket.
Dude, that's how big Sehwag is now. He's
Yeah.
like, even Antriksh knows कि उसका divorce हो गया है. Or maybe Antriksh just keeps tabs on divorce news
Divorce and
specifically.
comedian. Yeah, वो Google में prompt डाल के रखा हुआ है.
Now that... but it does feel like... Don't you feel...
The other opener should
Yeah.
have. Gigi should have divorced from coaching, but Sehwag divorced marriage.
yeah. But I feel like this has long-term implications for India as a country. I would say a good implication because हमारे देश में we look down upon divorce.
Yeah, it's divorce.
It is
when
divorce.
old people divorce, it's divorce.
Divorce because death ही है वो.
Yeah.
Of your marriage and your life and your status in society. Death of you
Yeah.
as a concept.
Yeah, you failed.
But now
You
that
have
Indian
failed.
cricketers are divorcing, it's a great thing for progress in India. कि they will normalize divorce in
Yeah.
India. तो ज़्यादा लोग now more people will divorce without feeling bad about it. Because अरे सहवाग ने किया मैं क्यों नहीं
शोएब
करूँ?
मलिक एंड सानिया मिर्जा भी था.
वो तो बहुत reasons के लिए होना चाहिए.
हाँ क्या?
अरे इंडिया पाकिस्तान कैसे
अरे
चलेगा
ओ,
भाई? Sorry, just for our rabid India Pakistan hater
Yes,
fans.
you have to. You have to for all the bloodthirsting fans.
नहीं, आई एम सेइंग इट्स पॉजिटिव. इंडिया पाकिस्तान भाई बहन.
भाई
तो तुम शादी कैसे कर सकते
Ah,
हो?
fair. Yeah, I mean, okay, not going there. Okay, but okay. My point is,
Yes.
सहवाग का डिवोर्स तो हो गया है.
हो गया
ठीक
divorce.
है. I think ये सब शुरू है जुग जुग जियो मूवी जब से आई है. तब से सारे बुड्ढे डिवोर्स करना शुरू किए.
I have not seen this movie. Please, surprise. क्या हुआ है इसमें?
कुछ नहीं, वही होता है. आई थिंक वो बाप बेटा. तुम लोगों ने देखी है जुग जुग जियो?
Of course,
अंतरिक्ष
अंतरिक्ष ने तो देखी है.
जुग जुग जियो मूवी देखी है? बता क्या है प्रेमिस?
The dad and son are both getting divorced.
At the same time.
ओह हाँ वही.
यही है.
हाँ यही
तो
है.
इससे क्यों तू इंस्पायर हो रहा है?
नहीं ये लोग हो रहे हैं इंस्पायर. ये बुड्ढे बुड्ढे डिवोर्स. मुझे तुमने बताया A.R. रहमान का डिवोर्स हो गया
यार
है.
रहमान तो भाई.
वीरेंद्र सहवाग अब डिवोर्स कर रहा है.
But I would say
सब अनिल कपूर की गलती है और वरुण धवन.
इन लोग 40s या 50s में होंगे ना?
ये सहवाग will be in his 40s.
40s. भाई-
late 40s if I'm not wrong.
भाई men के लिए हुआ money.
सहवाग is
It's
46.
a common decade for men to get divorced. They're 40s.
I'm just like-
when they have money.
Oh, yeah?
Because they're still.
And children are also like kind
They're
of
done.
settled.
They're settled. Abhi second innings.
Another triple hundred.
Avoided follow up and now time to go. Time to go
Now
ballistic.
the
The Sultan of Multan is back.
now the fuck up is now the whole alimony discussion will start on the
Yes.
internet
Yes.
and be like साले ने बनाए तो 300
हाँ.
लेकिन 150 का पैसा वो ले गई.
हाँ, यही सब होगा.
150
ये ऑनलाइन इंसल आर्मी विल बैक सहवाग की
Yeah.
पैसा नहीं देना चाहिए.
and Sehwag will get a new hair transplant because he's back in the market.
Oh yeah, this time Sehwag's going to be
People
back.
on Raya,
यहाँ से start
watch
होगा.
out.
उसका बाल यहाँ से स्टार्ट होगा एकदम सामने से है. वो हेयरलाइन ही never had to begin with. But yeah, Sehwag is back on the market. So ladies
Ladies on Raya, make sure you swipe right to the
to the sharp talking,
The
not no filter, कुछ भी बोल देता है ऐसे
Prince of
नजफगढ़
नजफगढ़.
नजफगढ़.
अरे वाह, तेरे को पता है, मुझे
That's
नहीं पता
right.
ये.
भाई हम तो दिल्ली वाले हैं भाई. हम अभी दिल्ली परफॉर्म करके आए, हम दिल्ली वाले बन गए.
Yes, so Sehwag divorce is a big thing,
Big
bigger than
deal.
the India-England series at this point.
100%.
Red ball, and another thing is
हाँ.
Champions Trophy.
Yes.
The whole controversy.
क्या
that's
the
happening.
spouse controversy.
Oh yeah, let's do a spouse
वो
controversy. There's
उसमें
this
हमने
controversy
yeah we
today.
missed out on this one. Spouse controversy तुम्हें पता ही होगा अब तक.
कि Anushka and
Yeah. They've not
Ritika
targeted specific.
and Ritika, but photo सब जगह उनकी आती है.
हाँ.
They are the reason we lost BGT.
Yes.
क्या कि
Of course.
wife को नहीं लेना allowed है.
See, that's when in doubt, always blame the wives. यही
Yeah.
हमारा approach है. in
That's why
India.
they're divorcing after retiring now.
Yeah,
you know, it's, they're like, you can blame.
Once they've been backing you through your career,
Yeah.
they've been your strength
Yeah.
and kept you sane.
And they've been your
Yeah,
like,
your rock.
your soft victim.
Yeah. And once you're done, you're like, okay, now thank you for the support, but time for second innings. ऐसे ही हो रहा है अभी हमारे cricketers के साथ. Yeah, so I believe they can only stay 2 weeks. ऐसे कुछ
In a
है.
45, which mainly I think for the
Yeah.
England series
Hmm.
big that we'll go to after IPL.
What do you think? This is a big. I doubt it's a financial reason. Ki BCCI is cutting down on costs.
Not at all, but
They can't afford wives to be there for full series.
I don't think they pay for the wife.
Half ticket.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they don't pay, right?
But I think it's like Rishabh Pant going anti-marriage on everyone.
Oh.
I think that's a possibility.
क्या? What do you mean? क्या हुआ था?
नहीं ऐसे ही मतलब सारे नॉन शादी वाले जो है
Oh yeah, all the
like,
singles.
वो सारे सिंगल्स मेरे को भी मन करता है
हाँ.
when I'm with comedians
Yeah.
के आ जाते हैं ये लोग के oh can we go first because we have to go home.
Yeah,
you know,
we have a wife.
And
No,
like
no,
yeah,
no.
we have to go back to find
Yeah,
a wife.
husband and a wife. Yeah.
So,
it's ours is more urgent. Our
exactly.
requirement. तेरा
You-
हो गया ऐसा.
हाँ कहाँ जाएगी तुम्हारी वाइफ. हाँ तुम्हारे 100 भी नहीं मारे हो तुम तो.
Can I go first? I don't have a wife. I
yeah.
have to look forward.
Forward, yeah.
जल्दी से मेरे को स्टेज भेजो भाई.
Exactly. जाके बात करना है हिंज पे लड़की से.
That's so true.
So,
but
yeah.
it's real divorce season. What is it about winter time? कुछ तो है. Jan
But
में
in fact,
बहुत हो रहा
it's
है.
called cuffing season.
Cuffing.
But
But you get together with one person to get through the winter. right?
yeah, but I think in India this is. But yeah, when you're that married like for so long,
Yeah.
maybe it's divorce season because
Yeah, I think they were together for 20 something years.
Yeah.
That's good enough. That's
yeah,
a
that's longer
solid
than
run.
his career.
Yeah, that's a solid run. That's not a failure. People call it a failed marriage. That's a successful marriage. They did a good 20
Yeah,
years.
21 years, like 2 decades of.
Yeah.
See, you're learning from the experts here,
Yeah.
me and Shamik on
Yeah, the people
dating
never
and relationships.
never been married.
Yeah, or like proper relationships. Shamik, what is your longest relationship?
I think we can say, yeah, it was 1.5 years. But,
Oh,
but it was a very
shaky.
yeah. It
From
was
the
barely
beginning.
a relationship.
Yeah, I
but
couldn't get your eye in properly.
yeah, I was missing the outside edge many times. I was just surviving. I was like, it was like a pujara in it.
A lot of bruises
A
on your
lot of
body.
bruises, just taking hits on the helmet.
And Rishabh was aggressive on the other end.
Yeah, there was another guy involved, and he was aggressive.
This is what happens when there is an irrelevant cricket
Yeah,
series.
कुछ भी बकते हैं हम.
Love this guy. Love the
Look at this.
father.
Look at this. Look at this acting. In 0.25x, you see how bad it is. कौन खेलेगा ऐसे?
That was a great delivery. He's down the track.
Dude, this is
he has
This is a great thing. I mean, sorry to deviate from cricket, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's fine. We can.
cricket has
Indian-
deviated from
Yeah,
cricket.
Bollywood movies में
हाँ.
white actors इतने खराब acting करते हैं. They get the cheapest, most affordable white actors of
Yeah.
all time. Except ये हमारा main actor उसका वो अच्छा था.
Captain Russell.
Captain Russell का ठीक था.
It's also because India doesn't have like a very strict shift rule.
Yeah.
So like if these Britishers are here, you got to pay them double shift.
You have to pay them double shift and all that. So they like
कि-
किसी को भी उठा लेते हैं
हाँ.
कि इधर गोवा में some guys come
हाँ,
to the holiday.
Russians को आओ और
आ जाओ.
British बना दो.
Yeah. That's why you saw that terrible acting of that guy. This guy, he was horrible.
Well, plug in. There's this documentary called I think Madness in the Desert, which is made on Lagan.
The making of Lagan.
It's
That's on Netflix,
I
right?
think it's on Netflix. Antriksh, have you seen it? Desert in the Madness in the Desert. Desert in the Madness. It's
We are
really
the
good.
only podcast of this size that is plugging Netflix.
Netflix, if you want to
Yeah.
stop going on Tanmay's channel, he's already made a lot of money. I
Yeah.
don't have rent for next month. I'm being honest. Please come.
तो क्या लगता है India it'll be a whitewash?
India, which one?
This shitty series.
Yeah, we will whitewash
Yeah?
the whites. No, it won't be a whitewash.
No, we'll lose. We'll 100% lose.
What?
दो मैचेस तो हारेंगे हम.
अच्छा हाँ अभी तो 2
इसमें
जीत गए अब
अभी-
आज एक हारेंगे
आज एक हारेंगे
फिर
और
next
जीत जाएंगे और लास्ट वाला हार के निकल
मतलब
जाएंगे.
मुंबई में हारेंगे
मुंबई में हारेंगे
हाँ.
बिकॉज तेरा रिकॉर्डिंग है उस
मेरा
दिन
रिकॉर्डिंग है प्लीज
तो कोई नहीं आएगा टू वॉच
so coming back sorry
Yeah.
I'm sorry to cut you off
No,
but
no, please.
Gautam Gambhir also has been under the scanner because his manager was traveling with the selectors or something in the same car and they're like the players were traveling separately. That's why the whole wedding thing. They're not even in the team bus.
So like there's a
apparently there is some
rift is there basically क्या
kind
that
of a
what you're
rift, or also like just like
पॉलिटिक्स चल रहा है
it's like everyone's become too big. They're like, oh, Kohli has his own, like he always rents a private aircraft, goes
this is
everywhere.
not a good sign for Indian cricket.
Yeah, and like it's like the thing is, you guys only make them this big. You give
Yeah.
them so much money, and then. But
Actually-
I didn't know that the team was not traveling together and stuff. Like that's huge.
Yeah, ये तो बहुत बड़ा problem है.
Yeah.
At least there was a unity in amongst us पहले the
Exactly.
cricketers.
So,
But I think this is the good time to get that out of our system as a squad. कुछ important नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ.
मतलब ठीक है चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी है but
चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी तो मतलब पाकिस्तान ने स्टेडियम रेडी नहीं किया अब तक. आईसीसी जयशाह इज गिविंग वार्निंग.
भाई ये that's Pakistan is doing the right thing. You want the stadium fresh.
Yeah.
एकदम brand new shining paint का smell रहना चाहिए chair के
सॉइल
ऊपर.
अभी अभी डाल रहा
हाँ,
है.
it
प्लेयर
should-
लेके आ रहा है बैटिंग करते टाइम सॉइल ही लेके आ रहा है अपने ग्लव्स में कि ये और डाल दो थोड़ा.
पाकिस्तान स्टेडियम इज लाइक अ सेट. मतलब उन लोग बनाएंगे और उसको डेमोलिश करके निकाल देंगे.
Yeah,
last
it's
में.
actually at Ramoji Film City next Champions Trophy.
Oh man.
So this issue is being raised about by ICC.
Yes.
Yes, ICC.
ICC. Oh, not nothing to do with India.
Nothing
It's
to
just
do with
ICC,
India. It's a
independent international body.
Yeah, which has its own agency and nobody can influence it, just
Yeah.
like the United Nations.
Yeah.
Its integrity has always can never be questioned. You can question anything else.
I heard that Trump is backing out of ICC also after he backed out of WHO and NATO and everything.
NATO also is backed
no,
out?
he's
No,
not.
yeah.
But he's trying to back out of everything.
NATO if he backs out, then Russia war will be over.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But what a time.
So ICC is like telling Pakistan जल्दी तैयार करो सारे स्टेडियम वरना हम UAE ले जाएंगे. And Indian team jersey apparently is not going to say ICC T20 sorry what ICC CT
हाँ.
fifth Champions Trophy
Pakistan.
Pakistan and UAE. It's
So
gonna
it'll just
say-
Pakistan पे whitener लगा देंगे.
yeah.
हाँ?
And UAE होगा सिर्फ.
Wow, and you. Wow, I love this is the level of pettiness at which we are
This is
operating.
some
अभी.
crazy amounts because Pakistan played the World Cup like last year
हाँ.
with in India.
यार इंडिया लिखा था ना
Of
jersey
course
पे.
लिखा होगा उनके जर्सी पे सबके जर्सी पे लिखा था. So this is
Come on guys.
ICC
There are bigger battles to fight यार. ये सब में
like
मत
a
जा.
50 over World Cup
Yeah.
where you don't know your squad.
Yeah. Seriously, ये पाकिस्तान हटा के क्या होगा?
करुण नायर को अभी भी टीम में नहीं लिया उसने बहुत
Oh,
उसने क्या मारा है अभी.
करुण नायर पागल हो जाता है कभी-कभी randomly domestic में.
You saw na he hit some 6 centuries and
Yeah.
like has tied the
Yeah.
score for maximum
Yeah.
centuries and I think
Karun Nair reported for domestic violence in Ranji, right? कहाँ पे
no
था?
not Ranji.
Yeah.
I think Vijay Hazare which is a 50 over format. Wait,
विजय हजारे.
Vijay Hazare Karun. I think it's Vijay Hazare. Yes. Average of 389.5.
That's like Bradman.
Yeah.
Karun Bradman बन गया है.
Karnataka ka Bradman.
But अभी हो गया.
I think he's playing for Vidarbh.
He won't get a chance. There's no chance he's ever coming back. Unfortunately, Indian cricket में ये chance ही नहीं है.
क्या?
तू क्या खुद यूएस वाला जर्सी पहन के आया है नासा
नासा मैं तो नासा तो
ओह बट दिस रिमाइंड्स मी कि अभी कोल्ड प्ले पे आया थोड़ा
कोल्ड प्ले गाइस द रियल इंडिया इंग्लैंड
या
एंड अभी हम इसको भी बाहर ला रहे हैं
हाँ आ जाओ सिंस
अंतरिक्ष
there's been
लेके
a
आ रहे हैं।
noisy disturbance from the next door and it's our very own Billy Bowden.
Billy Bowden, I think she wants to poop.
Oh, she needs
Oh,
to take a
man.
dump.
I hope she's not taking a dump inside.
If you guys want us to start a Patreon, you can get footage of this also. She's gonna be taking a dump.
Oh, she's not. That's
Oh,
a
she's
false,
not taking a dump.
false start.
Abhi, yeah.
Yeah, she might.
She's going. थोड़ा she's privacy issues. She was feeling
Yeah.
awkward. इतने लोग बैठे हैं थोड़ा तो
Ah.
awkward. It's like you know airport में तू कभी गया अग्ने?
मैं हाँ
मतलब not specifically to shit. I mean
Yeah.
airport में कभी तो उधर there's a guy with the broom. He's cleaning.
cleaning, yeah.
That guy fucking when you're inside, he's cleaning right near your
Yeah.
leg. I'm like, भाई थोड़ा privacy दे भाई. I don't. You can clean it once I'm out. This is what happened with Billy
एक
Bowden.
तो शामिक के पैर बाहर ही जाते हैं टॉयलेट के.
हाँ मेरे तो जूते बाहर ही
हाँ.
रहते. I trip people who are passing by.
So
हाँ.
Coldplay.
Sorry, Coldplay पे
I
आते
was
हैं.
there.
You
at
were
DY
there.
Patil Stadium.
Crazy,
Right
yeah.
in the middle on the pitch. I was
Unbelievable.
batting.
I was there at
32
Hotstar.
off.
Hotstar Stadium पे था.
You mean home cert?
Yeah. Home cert पे देखा
It
मैंने.
was Steve Martin. Steve Martin.
Steve Martin भी आ गया है. Our legendary comedian Chris
यार,
Martin.
मैं स्टीव मार्टिन का वो देख रहा हूँ मास्टर क्लास तो मैं
Oh,
उसके
अच्छा.
दिमाग आ रहा है बट क्रिस मार्टिन
Yes.
वाज लाइक द विराट कोहली फॉर वन डे उसको इतना चढ़ाया है ना
Oh, भाई.
स्टार ने
कैसे था तेरा एक्सपीरियंस बता ना
ओ
सबको.
वेरी गुड
Yeah.
लाइक मैं इसके पहले डीवाई पाटिल गया था 2010 आईपीएल फाइनल मुंबई वर्सेस चेन्नई जो
Okay.
हम बहुत बुरी तरह हारे थे
Okay.
आई वाज राइट इन द लाइक आई वाज एक्चुअली ऑलमोस्ट नियर द पिच आई वाज अ स्टैंडिंग टिकट
Okay.
and I got very close to Chris Bhau.
Ah.
Yeah, and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Nicely organized. Very rare to see something like that.
निकलने में कितना टाइम लगा वहाँ से?
कुछ बहुत मतलब हाँ वो वॉक करना पड़ा थोड़ा मैं बट वी आर रिपेंटली प्रिपेयर्ड कि इट बी अ 15-minute वॉक.
Oh, that's nothing.
Yeah, that's 15 max 20 minutes of walk either to the station or then we just went to a bar.
Nice,
close by,
dude.
got a beer.
मेरे को
and
तो
we were-
जलन हो रहा है अभी when I heard that it's organized well. I was hoping because I didn't get tickets कि बहुत खराब
I also
organization
say
होगा.
मैंने एक्चुअली टिकट के लिए मैं आई डोंट वांट पीपल टू हेट मी.
हाँ.
मैं बहुत मेहनत की टिकट के लिए.
अच्छा
हाँ.
अच्छा you were like नहीं किया.
नहीं नहीं तो मेरे को
फिर
actually-
दोस्त ने दिया है तेरे
हाँ
को.
मेरे को दोस्त ने दे दिया कॉस्ट प्राइस पे. Honestly, I didn't care about Coldplay much anymore because I was like not being मतलब I've not heard
Yeah.
much of their new music
Yeah.
except those few popular
हाँ.
ones. But वही बजाया उन्होंने.
हाँ.
So that was like fun.
Yeah, they have enough.
But once you get there, you are like, oh, okay.
They've been around for long enough that they have lot of hit songs.
Yeah,
now.
like Rajiv Shukla memes. I don't know if you've seen noticing. These
Rajiv
days,
Shukla?
Rajiv Shukla has been everywhere.
He was at Coldplay also.
No, he wasn't. But this meme, I don't know if you guys have seen. It's getting popular. Like,
अच्छा.
वो कोई पुराना historic दिखाएंगे चीज उसमें पीछे राजीव शुक्ला है. So Coldplay, yeah. So I was like, whatever. Like I've got the ticket. I should go. And yeah, but once you get there, it's like insane.
Yeah, the
like,
lights and all were crazy.
Yeah.
मैंने देखा.
and my biggest problem is always getting in and getting out.
Yeah, but they did it well.
They did it really well, except I got annoyed at the guy at the where you have to fill that RFID में पैसा.
क्यों?
He's like कि 450 का पिज्ज़ा था तो मैंने बोला 450 भर दो इसमें तो बोलते नहीं पहले बार में आपको 500 भरना पड़ेगा. आई एम लाइक क्यों? He's like नहीं फर्स्ट ये रूल है. आई एम लाइक बट आपको सब मैं क्यों 2 बार रुकूंगा लाइन में. मैं ये क्यों सोच के आऊंगा कि मैं एक बार पहले रुकूंगा फिर दूसरे बार
This shit,
वापस.
and this is a one time use, I'm sure, right? ये जो पे कर रहा है.
हाँ you can't get the money back. So 50 रुपए
This is
सबसे
how they
बच
scam
जाएंगे.
extra money out of you and 1-2
Yeah.
crores हो जाता है.
Exactly.
Sad bad करके.
And because the thing is everything else was like just so seamless.
Yeah.
And except and beach mein randomly this is not like the organizers this thing. I think randomly people were selling water 500 ml for 500 rupees.
1 rupee
Yeah,
per ml.
ml.
Finally, water has reached the correct price. 1 rupee per milliliter.
अरे dude तो then मैं बोला उसको please निकल यहाँ से. तो फिर वो बाद में बोला आके कि आपको 2 बॉटल चाहिए 500 में. मैं बोला ठीक है दे दे अभी.
पर दारू वारू नहीं पी क्या उधर?
दारू पिया ना मैंने but that my friends who I gave tickets to.
वो अहमदाबाद में तो नहीं मिला होगा उनको.
अहमदाबाद में
स्पेशल परमिट मिलता
नहीं
होगा?
नहीं कुछ नहीं अहमदाबाद
नहीं?
में कुछ नहीं.
उनको कुछ नहीं मिला.
उनको बस मिला वही जो 19th of नवंबर को मिला था हमें सैडनेस. नहीं यार, नो बट या अहमदाबाद में कौन ही देखेगा जाके. आई मीन ग्रेट स्टेडियम एंड ऑल, बट लाइक कम ऑन मैन, देयर इज नो अल्कोहल देयर. Like, and it was sponsored by Jameson. The home cert was sponsored by Jameson. Come here.
निकल यहाँ से. Yeah, Jameson. So the Jameson would have been on discount, I'm sure.
In Gujarat? No, Jameson was not even sponsored.
Ginger ale. Jameson ginger
Jameson
ale.
Ginger Ale was not in Bombay. It was just a home cert sponsor.
ओह अच्छा,
yeah.
इतने छोटे छोटे लोगोज आ रहे थे. आई वाज लाइक आई एम अमेज्ड इतना अलाउ कि इंडिया में यूजुअली इतना बड़ा लोगो दिखाना पड़ता है, तो दे वोंट पे यू.
Yeah, Jameson's being classy, no? It's
Classy.
Irish. So that was fun. And Bumrah got a shout out at
Yeah.
every show. I had a feeling he's going to come. And
Yeah.
then 26th show,
He was
he was
there.
there
He
in
was
the
there.
audience.
काफी क्रिस मार्टिन ने बहुत हिंदी बोला है, बाय द वे. इतना हिंदी नो व्हाइट मैन हैज सेड दिस मेनी वर्ड्स ऑफ हिंदी.
Yeah, not even Captain
कैप्टन
Russell.
रसल ने भी नहीं बोला इतना. शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद, बहुत अच्छा लगा इधर
अरे,
आके आपके इधर कार्यक्रम करके. ऐसे बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स बोल रहा है.
कार्यक्रम, ये तो हम भी नहीं बोल
कार्यक्रम
रहे.
नहीं बोला, but
बोला ही हो सकता है.
फिर गुजराती भी बोला उसने, बहुत बोला.
इधर वो आके पता है क्या उसका, एक तो इतना ये व्हाइट पीपल वाले गैग्स इतने इजीली चलते हैं इंडिया में.
हाँ.
उसने आके बोला कि I'll introduce the band. They are not from England.
Yeah, they're from
You know.
different states का नाम लिया ना.
Yeah, well,
From Punjab.
No, उसने तो महाराष्ट्र में. This guy is from Pimpri Chinchwad.
Pimpri Chinchwad, सब
This
सिखाया
guy is
है
from
उनको.
Chhatrapati Shambhaji Nagar. And I am from Sanjay Gandhi National Park.
सब सीख लिया भाई.
Yeah.
मतलब they have people around ना who
Of
tell them how
course.
to do it.
Yeah.
तो सब
He's like कि ये बोल देना ये हो जाएगा. And the thing is like it was just like the death. Like I like the concert, but it was so ironic that they are saying that our money goes to these causes, while I can see pollution. Like dude, this.
हाँ, ये वाला कॉज को देना.
Yes, Billy Bowden.
लास्ट 5 मिनट के लिए ले लो.
Yeah. इसको शामिक में ही इंटरेस्ट है Billy Bowden को. Like मैं नहीं जाऊंगी इधर उधर. She's into tall boys.
Fucking the amount of energy with which he's trying to call her. हाँ ठीक है.
So yeah, but okay, so let's finish this with like one game.
Yes.
Like let's dedicate a Coldplay song to what Coldplay song would be which cricketer?
Oh, this is a good game.
Yeah.
मेरा फर्स्ट तो इजी है. मैं धोनी को लूंगा.
It
येलो.
was all yellow. Yeah.
चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स.
What are other fix you? Mohammad Azharuddin.
Shit, ये वाला अच्छा सोच के आया तू.
नहीं मेरे को अभी आया. मैं तो गाना सोच रहा हूँ. कोई गाना बताओ. Clocks. Clocks आएगा.
Ravi Ashwin is the scientist.
Scientist. Clocks is Shakib Al Hasan. Like time out. Even Ganguly. Remember that Ganguly telling
Yeah.
the Pakistan.
Time note कर ले.
Yeah,
तू
note
वो
कर
सब,
ले. फिर
हाँ.
मेरे पे नहीं आएगा. Clocks.
हाँ, clocks.
Give other names. Of
Sky full of stars किसको देंगे?
Sky full of stars is like. Give names Antriksh.
Our producer Antrish is leaving.
He's here to get.
हाँ, please take her, dude. Come,
It's
no
fine ना.
problem.
We'll play the game अभी. ठीक है.
हाँ. नहीं भाई, ये attack
अंतरिक्ष.
करेगी मेरे को.
और गाने के नाम दे. Antriksh has not taken her consent. It's on camera.
Donald Trump behavior. This is.
Coldplay songs. Yes, Coldplay.
Mm,
Fix You is of course done. Clocks is done. Scientist is done. Him for the weekend. Prithvi Shaw because he's a party boy. By the way, Prithvi Shaw. Shout out Prithvi Shaw. Is,
fitness freak.
yeah, he's every day there's a photo of him running at that wings at reclamation. I
Wow.
don't mean to dox him, but
सब लोग आ जाएंगे अभी देखने.
Tambdi chambdi.
Hey, but he's getting fit for what?
I think he's having an awakening, especially after Vinod Kambli.
What is her thing with me, dude? Why the fuck? Leave me alone. I want nothing to do with you. I'm done with you. It's warm, definitely. But she's not.
She's a Windows gal.
She wants to attack me.
You're talking off mic.
I know. ये देखिए. आज तो बहुत गुस्से में है ये बिली बार्डन मेरे साथ.
गुस्सा तो बहुत हो गए. मैं डाल रहा हूँ Coldplay.
ले जा भाई इसको.
Popular songs. अरे जा तेरा मच्छी खा. Fix You Clock. Viva La Vida. I don't know किसको बोलूँगा मैं.
Oh God, leave me.
Okay,
alone.
I have a bad one.
Yeah.
I have a unnecessarily Not required dark
हाँ,
one.
बता
Sparks for Rishabh Pant.
Oh, beautiful. That's a solid one.
Arey.
We needed one like that.
Paradise for someone who died recently.
I think Viva La Vida I will give to Kohli because I used to rule the world. और अभी उसका नीचे हो गया सब. Now I'm only edging the ball. I only edge the ball. The first, second, third slip.
I hear Premanand bells are ringing. Uttarakhand,
और
Kechi Dham is calling. Up and up.
और also I will give the Indian selectors something just like this because उन लोग चेंज ही नहीं करते टीम को. हाँ ऐसे ही कोई
ऐसे ही.
टीम सिलेक्ट करते हैं फिर से.
Up higher power, Jay Shah.
जय शाह फेयर.
Higher speed of sound.
स्पीड ऑफ साउंड.
Jaspreet Boom नहीं अच्छा.
ये तो
अच्छा
ये
नहीं.
पॉजिटिव वाला हो
Positive
गया
वाले
तो.
are we
Serious
what
हो
Hotstar?
रहा
Are we
है.
Hotstar? Are we that disgusting PR machinery? If you give us money, we don't mind being that.
Yeah.
One is called Trouble.
ट्रबल तो भाई तूने दे दिया. अजहरुद्दीन अनफॉर्चुनेटली निकल गया है.
निकल
एक और
गया.
ट्रबल पृथ्वी शॉ को दे सकते
Prithvi Shaw could be Trouble.
ही इज ऑलवेज कॉजिंग ट्रबल.
Yeah.
आई थिंक
Adventure of a lifetime.
ललित मोदी. उसके फेक पॉडकास्ट स्टोरी सुन के तो एडवेंचर ऑफ लाइफ टाइम ही लगा कि ट्रेन में उठा हेलीकॉप्टर आया उसे
Ah, yeah, train. 760s, yeah, 7. The hardest part
The hardest part.
is BGT series, Sydney pitch.
Yeah, the hardest part is Indian cricket fans के लिए कि हमें देखना पड़ता है ये सब.
Yeah, every teardrop is a waterfall is for, I think,
कौन
Vinod
easily-
Kambli.
easily कौन रोक
Vinod
सकता
Kambli, Mohammad Siraj.
मोहम्मद कपिल
Lost,
पाजी भी
lost is for the entire Indian team.
या lost. Lost is India versus New Zealand. वो सीरीज को बोल देते हैं.
Oh, this is a nice one. The song's called Let Somebody Go.
Let somebody
Ashwin. Again. नहीं.
खुद को ही let him
Let
self
him.
go. It's a
Let
request.
somebody go is Rohit Sharma.
It should be.
अरे
Rohit
भाई
Sharma.
मैं रिटायर नहीं हुआ हूँ.
Hmm,
काफी सारे हो गए.
हाँ.
My Universe
My universe.
is Nitish Reddy.
Why the fuck?
We got a lot of good
पापा
ones.
वाला कुछ नहीं है.
पा-
Coldplay song. फिर नीतीश रेड्डी को दे सकते.
Papa Meri Jaan would be.
पापा.
Oh, there's a
मेरी
song called
जान.
Daddy. There is a song called Daddy.
There you go. That's Nitish Kumar
That
Reddy.
is Nitish Reddy. Paradise.
Or
would be-
if India wins the Champions Trophy, then Magic. Magic will be the song I give it.
Yeah, and if India makes it somehow to champions, no, world test champ, no, we can't. So it's like,
That would be real.
I think yeah, we have a lot. I
That's
think
a lot.
lot of
विराट
songs.
कोहली का एक और है, rush of blood to the head. बहुत गुस्से में रहता है वो. But I think we are out of ideas.
I
guys.
think we are out of songs.
We are
also.
done with this fucking episode.
We are done with this episode, and Coldplay better release more songs, man.
Yeah,
Like,
so we
you gotta-
can name our whole team.
Yeah.
Next episode, we don't know what we'll talk about, but we will be talking. So please come back. Next
Yeah,
week.
yeah. There's nothing happening.
हमारे प्रोड्यूसर लोग खड़े हो गए, उनको निकलना है, तो जल्दी से हम
फिर से
wrap up
कचरा का
करते हैं.
हैट्रिक देख रहे हैं हम.
This episode is brought to you by Charger. Portronics
Portronics.
for all your charging needs.
Yes.
It could be brought to you by. Sorry. we should
Portronics, you
clarify.
need to bring us. And I think we've done a lot this
Yeah.
episode.
I think I think
for
we've-
having nothing.
I think we've spoken a lot with minimum effort.
Yeah.
This episode. Billy
Yeah.
Powder has put more effort than us.
Yes, I
by
think we
attacking
should
me.
get done with Devdutt Padikkal.
We are done with Devdutt Padikkal. See you next episode where there is no cricketer with that number. Episode 38.
What are you saying?
तो हमें बनाना
So I can
पड़ेगा
claim
ये.
that number.
Yeah. See you
See
next
you.
week. Like, share, subscribe.
Bye,
Tata,
bye,
bye.
bye.